And turning now to Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Josh Colbert. Same weather cam that we've seen the last few mornings, because we're seeing the same situation play out in Grants Pass just like we have pretty much all week.
Yeah, I feel bad for showing this constantly, but it's the same weather story every single morning. There's fog in Grants Pass and there's no fog elsewhere. So it's just the cards we've been dealt, so we got to deal with them. We're seeing visibility down to 1/4 of a statute mile again in Grants Pass, and again this would likely be freezing fog because temperatures are below freezing, and it's just in Grants Pass where we're seeing the fog. Again, everywhere else is seeing some pretty good visibility, but I think tomorrow morning is probably going to be the last morning where we have to deal with this, because the stagnant pattern is going to come to an end by the time we get to noon on Friday, because we have this dry storm system that's going to move through, not providing any rainfall, but it will provide winds, and that'll unstagnate the air within the valleys. So up until noon on Friday, try to limit your outdoor burning, because we don't want to make air quality worse than it already is. And we are seeing air quality that is unhealthy for sensitive groups this morning in Lake County. And on top of that, it is very cold in Lake County for the second or third morning in a row. We're down to 9 degrees for Lakeview, 21 degrees for Klamath Falls, below freezing for the west side valleys, and mid-40s there along the coast in Brookings. So inland, you'll have some ice on your windshield, but along the coast, I think you will be A-OK. Here's your snow report today for the Mount Ashland ski area, and if you plan on hitting the slopes, it is going to be a wonderful day. Lots of sunshine, temperatures that'll be pretty mild for this time of the year, and of course there's a lot of fresh snow there at Mount Ashland. So for today, the mildest day we've had over the past couple weeks or so will be in the 30s and 40s for the east side, 50s, mid-50s for some portions of the valleys, but overall 50s for our valleys, and then mid-60s once again along the coast. Again, lots of sunshine all over the place, and then overnight we will have some clouds increasing from the north ahead of that storm system for Friday. So that'll keep us a little bit warmer overnight, but unfortunately the winds aren't going to start to pick up until later in the day on Friday. So that means we'll probably have one more night of fog for Grants Pass. But again, temperatures still cold, even though they'll be a smidge warmer. We'll still be in the teens and 20s for the east side, near freezing for our west side valleys, mid-40s there along the coast and Brookings. And we are tracking some subtle changes to our overarching pattern over the next 7 days, specifically the storm system for late Saturday and early on Sunday. And on early Sunday morning, snow levels will be low enough that we could potentially see a snow shower or two for the Rogue Valley, but we're going to have plenty of sunshine later in the day on Sunday. Temperatures will be well above freezing, so anything that falls early in the morning will likely melt pretty quickly if we get any accumulations at all. Here's your 7-day forecast for the coast. We will see one final mild day, and then things get much cooler into Friday. We see clouds increasing, and then we see a couple different shower chances moving forward beyond that. And snow levels get so low into next week that there is the potential to maybe even see a few flakes flying along the coast. For Siskiyou County, we will be mainly dry over the next 7 days. Small chance for snow showers on Sunday, but that's just about it. And then for the east side, yes, there is that small chance for snow showers on Sunday as well, but the big impacts are going to come from the cold air in the wake of that. Single digits for Monday morning and Tuesday morning, if not negative values. And we will also track some very cold air up in the Cascades and Siskiyous. A couple different chances for snow, but nothing too substantial in terms of accumulating snow. And then for the Rogue Valley, small chance for snow showers on Sunday morning, and then getting brutally cold on Monday morning.
Okay, and it looks like hopefully this pattern isn't going to stick around too far into next week right now, kind of trending up for the middle of next week.
Yeah, it's a quick little cold shot, which is going to be very dangerous on Monday morning, but then after that, getting back closer to average values.
Okay, and we're going to be below average on Monday and Sunday?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Of course.